ZoomEd ReptiTemp digital thermostat. Let's get right into it. First thing we're going to do, open up our package. Inside you're going to find the main unit itself. There's two ends. Our power plug, polarized power plug. This is our probe. What does the probe do? The probe measures the temperature of the device you're measuring. So, take your plug, plug it into an outlet. You'll see that the unit is now powered on. The unit's default temperature setting is 75 degrees Fahrenheit. To change this, and keep in mind for most animals you're going to want this to be somewhere between 85 to 95 degrees, we're going to hold the mode button, we're going to hold the set button till it flashes on the right. And you see, it's flashing on the left. So we can increase that number. I'm going to set it all the way to 95. We'll say 96. Okay. Now, if I press mode again, it will set the temp. If I leave it, it'll set the temperature. So if I hold this probe, we will see that the temperature on the right will slowly start increasing. When it gets up to 96 degrees Fahrenheit, it will turn off. Generally, also, this has a hot and a cool mode. The left button controls our mode. This controls whether or not it's in heating or cooling mode. Some people will use these for devices that will cool the tank. For our purposes, you're only ever going to use this on the heat setting. If you do use it on the cool setting, just check your manufacturer's directions. It's also available directly on ZoomEd's website. Super easy to do on that. Basically if we want to go ahead and I just hit set again, I can hit this again, 98, 99, 100. And then once you get over 110, or 120, it'll drop back down. You'll see it'll go down to like 65, 50, sorry. But that's all there is to it. But default temperature is 77. I would personally set it to 95. And then with that probe, just make sure you undo this. Lay the probe directly underneath the heat source. If you have an animal that's going to push it around or move it, secure it with a zip tie or something like that to where it's not going to get pushed around. Reason being is if they move this sensor out of the way, it's going to be no good because then it's going to be off the target area and that lamp or that ceramic heat emitter will just keep heating and heating and heating. One more thing about these two, ceramic heat emitter or deep heat projector, do not use them with this traditional bulb. They will blow them out. Thanks.